LAHappy Robotic Vacuum and Mop Cleaner Remote Control Self-Charge Smart Navigating Robot Vacuum with 2200 mAh battery capacity for pet hair, carpet and hard floor. Cleaning mode, combined with the remote control, 4 cleaning modes, spiral, edge, around the column cleaning, 650 ml dust box, dual filter, pre-cleaning, filter, side brush to ensure thorough cleaning. Ultra-thin design, 8 cm ultra-thin robotic vacuum cleaner, hurricane suction, can easily absorb dust and fine particles under hardwood floor, carpet, sofa bed. Intelligent sensing, the sweeping robot uses 360 degrees intelligent anti-collision sensors and anti-falling technology, which can easily climb 1.0 cm to 15 degrees to overcome obstacles. The universal power wheel can prevent falls, encounter obstacles and keep quiet, less than 60 decibels. Automatic charging, robot vacuum cleaner with built-in 2200 mAh rechargeable battery. With charging base, suitable for home decoration of 80 to 150 square meters, enjoy the fun brought by high technology. After-sales service, we attach great importance to customer after-sales service. If you encounter problems during the purchase process, please contact us, and we will definitely give you a most satisfactory answer. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.